Hi guys, good morning. Ayan, kakagising lang namin at magluluto ako ng breakfast at si Joe ay nasa labas na natutulog. Ayan, magluluto ako ng breakfast guys at kakagising lang namin. Ayan. Ayan si Joe. Joe, mga super init at nilalagay niya yung tubig niya dyan. Kasi yan ang pampaligo niya. Kasi daw para uminit. So your water, yeah?
Water heater.
Yeah, water heater niya daw yan. So ayan, ito yung ang aming breakfast guys. Magbe-breakfast kami. Ayan, nag-bed. Ayan, so meron kaming fruits dito. Meron akong cherries. Ayan. Mushroom kagabi. Gagawin ko siyang sausage, kamatis, ayan, yung kamatis. Tsaka, nasaan na yung sausage? Ay, dito ko pala nilagay sa taas. Ayan. Tapos, may cheese. Ayan. So, ito yung aming breakfast. Ayan, naghugas ako guys. So, ayan, magkakape muna daw si Joe. Maliit yung space. Ayan. So, ayan guys, meron akong tea. Ayan. Mainit. Mainit. So, magluluto ako ng breakfast. So, sausage time. Ayan, meron akong dito. Anim, walo. Ayan, sausage. Putol-putulin ko naman yan. So, ayan na. Putol-putol na siya. Ganyan lang yan, guys. Lagyan ko lang ng kunting olive oil. Ayan. Joe?
Yeah.
Ayan.
You're vlogging again, man.
What did you drink?
We're clearing out some jewellery shelves. They've taken all the jewellery already.
Yeah.
We're cleaning the shelves.
Yeah.
Trying to find a small diamond. And I showed the people that I was with. They said, "Oh, I said that might be worth a couple of £1,000." And then they got the guys to value it, and it was worth 120,000.
Wow.
And then I wake up, I'm so disappointed.
Oh. It's good to have a good dream. Ayan guys. Nanaginip daw siya. Nakakita daw siya ng diamond. Ayan. Malapit na. Lalagay ako dito ng mushroom. Saka yung we have omelette, yeah? Mushroom and tomato. Yeah? Ayan, mag-omelette ako. Yeah. So, ayan guys, ito yung omelette namin. Ayun, sausages is almost ready. So what's up with you?
Nothing, why?
You said it's not charging.
Yeah, it's still 77.
Okay, so when are the then?
I'm going to go switch off.
Yeah. That's a good idea. Ayan, kuhanin ko na ito. So ayan, lulutuin ko muna yung mushroom. Ayan. Para Yan, tabi ko muna. Lalagay ko itong um, ano tawag nito? Kamatis. Ayan, kamatis.
Mango. With the skin.
Yeah, pasta tuloy. Ayan, madali lang guys ang paglagay. Mahirap pag isa lang yung wala akong camera ma'am dito. Tapos, yan. Lalagay. Hahanguin ko rin yan. Mamaya. Ayan. So, lagay ko muna yung cheese dyan. At, dito, hindi ko na anuhin. Yan, may itlog. Hindi ko na tawag nito huhugasan kasi hugas naman yung ayan, hugas na yung mushroom tsaka yung tomato. Ayan, so ganyan na siya. Tapos, of course,
What's the funny thing over there?
is that
I just heard.
what she said? Ayan. Ayan, mushroom. Tapos yan. Ganito ang buhay. Isang kamay lang. Ayan. Tapos, ito, ilalagay ko yung diyan. Ayan. So, tingnan natin pag nag-work itong aking omelette. So, ayan. Maglalagay ako ng oil dyan. Oh, ayan. Hindi ko na ano guys. Hindi ko na pindot yung record. Ayan. Ang paglagay ko ng mga sangkap. So, ganyan siya. Hindi ko na ito maipo-fold kasi ayan, too late na. So, ganyan ta na lang siya. Ayan. That's the omelette. It didn't work. But it's okay. Ayan. Kasi mas masarap naman ganyan eh. Ayan. So, cheese, mushrooms, and tomato frittata. Ayan. So, that's good. Switch off. Ayan. So, ito yung breakfast. Meron to cheesy herb bread, croissant, baguette, and the omelette, the sausages, and the fruits. Ayan. Ito yung breakfast, guys. So, ayan, guys. Yung breakfast namin. Joe, ma-post daw muna. Okay.
Yeah.
Init. Yeah, it's hot.
Fun.
Yeah. Okay, take photos. Yeah. All right. So yeah, dig in.
It's the mic, right?
Okay. Already, I give it to you. Ayan. So you got baguette. I think I have this. No, I have baguette as well. So ayan guys, kain muna kami. Well, you got ink in your hand. The cherries.
Oh.
You wash the cherries.
and I eat one. Get off and go, I didn't invite you. Very nice. There's no knife anyway.
So, ayan guys, kain tayo guys. Sobrang mainit. Ito yung pampaligo mamaya. Mayroon ng mga alikabok. Yeah, there is a lot of dust in there and insects. So may dumating. Ayan. How was it?
Tasty.
Good. Ayan, kain muna kami guys. Nice. I'm not gonna eat it all. Ayan guys, taob na. Ayan, may pop sparkling na si Joe. Ayan. Nasa fruit na ako. Init. Sobrang init.
Hot.
It's very ripe,
Sweet,
isn't it?
yeah.
Is it sweet? Sarap guys. Oh, I'm vlogging.
Oh, I didn't realize the sun was on.
Ayan. Kasi pupunta kami ng music festival. Hindi na ako mag-vlog. Siguro. Woo! Hindi na ako mag-vlog doon. Kaya ayan, cheers time. What's the time? 12 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes. So it's nearly 1 o'clock now.
9 o'clock. No, it's okay. You got cherries all over you now. Look. There. Yan, grabe yung dagta ng cherries, guys.
Grabe.
Ayan, no? Kasi ano siya, pulang-pula. It's in my teeth. Look.
It's white.
Tsaka may mangga kami. Yung mangga na parang, ano yung Carabao mango. Para rin siyang Philippine mango. Maano? Matamis. My voice. Busog na ako. So, mamaya magbubukas ako ng aking costume, pero hindi ko siguro 'yun susuotin. I'm not gonna dress up. You think you're gonna wear?
Yeah, just up. Can I just buy that for you?
Oh, okay. Ayan guys, mag-unboxing tayo. Ito yung in-order ni Joe. Ayan, na susuotin ko raw today sa party. Pero kasi mainit siya. I'm not sure. Pero buksan lang natin.
Long press the button and then press it 3 times.
Yeah, I know how to do that one. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I'm doing my unboxing here.
Oh,
Yes.
I'll leave that there then. Till you finished.
What is it?
Boxing water.
The water, yeah. So, ayan. So, mayroon siyang earrings. na pink. This one is 1970s, yeah?
Yeah. It could be in Westwood.
Ayan. So, ayan guys. So, ayan. Pero hindi ko susuotin yan.
60s
Tapos,
even. Oh, you
meron
got those.
siyang shade. Aray ko. Oh wow, this one is...
Oh, snap. We're like twins, man.
I know, but it's really small.
Yeah, well, they're only two.
What am I look?
Very nice. You look like John Lennon.
Oh my god.
You look like when I first meet you. Well, those.
That one. Tapos, merong ang dami, meron siyang kwentas na necklace.
Love and peace.
Necklace. Ayan. Peace.
Snap.
Ayan. Pareho daw kami. Ayan. Ganyan. Tapos yung damit. Ayan. Ang highlights.
It's like, that dress is like, you know, oh, what's it called? Grooves in the Heart. Delight.
Grooves in a what?
Grooves in the Heart. I can't sing it otherwise I get
Grooves in a
copyright.
heart. Like that.
Yeah.
Just the one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ay, sida. Mainit to, mainit. Sida.
Should be nice and cool,
Ayan.
maybe.
Ganyan siya, guys. Maybe I wear this one. But, it
Yeah,
feels
wear it. That's
hot.
why I bought it, man.
Yeah, so ayan. So, it's, tapos mayroon siyang headband.
Oh, hippie. Trippy hippie.
Yeah, so kasi yung buhok ko kasi hindi siya volume. So I don't know, maybe igaganon ko lang siya mamaya. Kasi parang 1970s siya, 'di ba? Ganyan. So ayan, maligo muna ako. So ito lang muna ang ganap. Tapos mag lunch. Ayan. So ganyan siya, guys. So ayan. Ay, init.
What material is the bun?
I don't know, but we call it like a sida.
Is coal or is it like nylon?
Nylon, yeah, nylon. It's very hot. Okay, so ito lang muna,
Just put
guys.
another one in your bag in case.
So ito yung sa loob ng aming shower. Ayan. Meron siyang lalagyan ng shampoo, mga sabon nandyan. At at mayroon ding extra bucket na nilagay si Joe. So ayan, dalawang balde ng tubig. So mag-on, i-press lang ng long press. Ayan. Tapos chargeable din yan, guys, yung shower. Chargeable. So ayan, ganyan siya kalakas ang kanyang tubig. So ayan. At pwedeng may setting siya na low and high. Ayan, so what's that, Joe?
It's butter.
What's that, Tatay?
Butterfly. Tatay the butterfly.
Yeah. You've been with you for a while, isn't it?
Yeah, and I got an ant.
Yeah. Oh, you know it's death anniversary of Tatay on Wednesday.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So, ito nga na nga, dumating na kami sa festival. At nag-voice over ako dito kasi may music. So, maano siya, makapiright ako. Ayan. So, yan ang ganap namin dyan sa loob. Ito lang muna. Ayan, wala na masyadong tao. Uwi on time, guys. So it's go home time.
Back to life, back to reality.